In today's video, I'm going to teach you use Microsoft OneNote for project management by creating dedicated notebooks with sections for planning, tracking, and collaboration, leveraging built-in templates for consistency. We'll build a clean structure, set up helpful templates, and walk through a daily workflow that keeps everything in one place. Start by creating one notebook per project. This makes it easy to keep information focused and shareable. Inside that notebook, add sections called Overview, Tasks, Meetings, Risks, and Status Reports. Within each section, create pages for specifics, like a weekly update page named Weekly Update Deck 11. Clear section names and consistent page titles help you and your team find information quickly, and you can nest related pages to keep things tidy. Next, let's set up your key pages using templates and tables. In the Overview section, go to Insert, then Page Templates, and choose Business. Use this to capture the project's objectives, timeline, team roles, and budget. Keep the overview concise but complete so anyone can grasp the project at a glance. For task management, create a page in the Tasks section with a simple table. Add columns for task owner, due date, status, and priority. Tag each task row with to-do checkboxes so you can mark progress as you go. This turns your table into a living tracker where updates are as simple as ticking a box. In the meeting section, set up a page template for meeting minutes. Include an agenda, attendees, decisions, and action items. When you're ready to collaborate, share a link to the page for real-time edits so everyone can contribute and confirm decisions on the spot. For risks and issues, create a table that logs each risk, its impact, and mitigation. Add a SWOT page, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, to guide strategy conversations and help the team anticipate challenges early. Now let's talk daily workflow. Tag your tasks with important and to-do, then use the search or the find tags feature to surface a quick tag-based dashboard of everything that matters today. As work progresses, insert files and screenshots directly onto the relevant pages and use OneNote's audio recording to capture context without slowing down. Share the notebook from home, then share so the whole team has access to the latest content. To organize large efforts, use section groups to separate phases like planning and execution. And if you prefer visuals, download free packs that add Gantt-like timelines or Kanban boards right inside OneNote. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.